So don't forget, guys, you can join with us every evening at 7:30 to join in for our evening devotionals, which is a place for you to get prayer, encouragement and inspiration. So join with us every night on Facebook, live at 7:30 each evening, and on weekends, on Saturday nights, you can join us for a bit of a worship session online too. So be sure to check that out on Facebook. So you can now join us online for Kids Stream. This is our online ministry for children. So you can catch us Fridays at 6:30 or Sundays at 10 a.m. live for some fun, some games, some custard pies and lots of competitions. So Saturday nights are going to be getting better because you can now join us for a watch party on Facebook and a quiz on Zoom. So if you'd like to join us for the watch party, we'll be having someone share about a song that's been meaningful to them and some worship songs together. And then that will be followed by a quiz on Zoom where you can get involved and we can have some fun together. So for the quiz on Zoom, you'll need 2 devices, one to zoom in on and one for the quiz questions. So just make sure you've got that ready, but join us on Saturday nights for some fun.
Knowing that my future has a plan, the greatest days are still ahead.
If you are part of 180 Youth, then be sure to connect with our leaders and stay in touch with us online. We have got some cool content going out over the next few weeks, so be sure to stay in touch with us.
I want this work you have started, a canvas of art. Teach me your
Every Sunday evening at 6 p.m, you can join us on Zoom for a live call to pray for 1 hour. So why not invite a friend along and come and join us so that we can pray together as a church for our nation.
so good. I can't explain it. My heart can't contain it. Your grace so
So our Connect groups are still meeting via Zoom. So if you'd like to be a part of one of these groups, then just drop us a message, let us know, and we'll get you connected online. And if you need some technical support and you're not so tech savvy, we've got it covered. So all you'll need is a mobile, a laptop, or an iPad, and we'll get you set up on there. So that's all for Excel News. Let's all stay connected in this season, and if you want any more information and need to stay up to date, just make sure you've got us on social media and you can check out our website. Have a great week, guys.